So I accidentally ended the recording instead of pausing it. But I'll put these videos together. Hello. Ah! That was just a bit of rubbish on the ground. We're nearly at the water bit. We're at the water bit. I think this bit must have been flooded. Okay. That's a lot of water. Hey Juniper. Oh yeah, there's some bricks. I guess the little piggy's house blew up. The wolf was a bird. That was an Angry Birds reference. Hello, Patrick.
Hello. Patrick jumps in the water.
No, wait, don't!
I think I'm really stupid enough to.
Patrick, you're learning the relaxing video. But we'll leave this in because funnies. Let's just do a relaxing bit. Juniper, don't eat that. Okay, just do a relaxing bit now. Enjoy the sounds of nature. Enjoy the birds and the water and Patrick humming. Okay, I wasn't able to see the recording from earlier. I just got stuck on that tree. I wasn't able to see the recording from earlier, so I'm not sure if it was that well, but here's my new mask. It has a lot of eyes, the mask abstracted. There's a lot of leaves. The leaves are gonna abstract. Oh, we went the wrong way. The leaves also abstracted. No, they didn't. But yeah, the cat abstracted and decided to wear a bunch of nature stuff. And the spell battle I made yesterday. Patrick, I'm trying to show off my mask. I'm leaving all this in, by the way. Oh, these leaves match my orange leaf on my mask. There's another cool tree. I'm just gonna stop talking for a bit and let I'm just gonna stop talking for a bit and let you enjoy the nature. The sounds of nature. Okay, never mind. Don't subscribe to my brother. Can you hear the geese? There's some geese. A cozy little nook. A cozy little Tom nook.
Oh, this here always comes wild mustard.
Wow!
Jack by the hedge, it's called.
Cool.
And the orange tip butterflies.
Lay their eggs?
Yeah, this is the plant that they lay their eggs on.
Yeah, I think you told me that.
So if you pick it, you have to be careful. You check the butterfly eggs before you pick it.
Okay. That's fact of the day. Thanks to my mom She does good facts. These are big leaves. That's a very viney tree. I think it's ivy. And here's some more ivy, I think. That looks like ivy. Ooh, some moss or lichen. Is this snow? I didn't know that existed. At least not in our country. Also, that was a joke. I know what snow is. This is a cool tree. Ow! There was a stick in the way of my path. Huh? Which one?
All the white flowers.
Oh!
I think it's a rhododendron.
Wow, look at all the rhododendron. A rhododendron. Did I say right?
Yep.
Okay. And also some bluebells. Some blueberries. I like blueberries. But even though I call them blueberries, don't eat them. They're poisonous. Hello, juniper. No, juniper, don't eat that. That's a nice dandelion. And there's some more flowers over here. There's another doggo over there. Okay. Okay, I had to stop filming for a bit. There was a person. There's a yellow bush over there. I'm not sure if it's just hay though.